Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. We're just going to go through our number one ranked system on coffee, FTO5. Had another fantastic week last week, and you can see here it's just started on strong again this week as well. So currently in an open trade, we'll just have a quick look at the stats for last week. So if we have a look at the periodical there, that's the daily stats. Let's look at the weekly. So weekly stats at 3206. We've got an open profitable trade at the moment. That's from yesterday's trade, which is closed out slightly higher than its lowest point, as you can see there. So it opened up around just there. Have a look at that value. So the trade opened up just about 161 and then closed out just over 162. So it'll take away your net liquidating position from the start of the day to obviously the closeout value, which is about $500. So we captured most of that profit though, which is fantastic. There was some $3,000 there, and then we've got that nice long that we're in at the moment. So you can see there the equity graph really tracking beautifully. Let's have a look at the performance stats on this. This has got massive numbers. So the overall net profit is 60,000. This needs to be traded on a larger account, obviously, because its drawdown is around about $2,500. So ideally a 50k account, 20 to 50k account. But the numbers are fantastic because if we have a look at the average winning trade is 2,800, average losers 540. So that's a ratio average win to loss of 5.29. And this is definitely our best strategy at the moment as far as coffee, and has just been very solid. So had another great week. And if we have a look at our coffee multi-system strategy and look at our rankings for last week, you'll see that it came in again. It put out 2175 for last week in total. That's with a couple of losers in there, but netted out profitable for the week. It wasn't our most profitable strategy. It was one of our profitable ones. We had the most profitable strategy for the week was definitely the reversal system. So the reversal on coffee, which was set 37.87. Then we had sitting in second place SN391 on our 55 tick. And then obviously coming in third there is FTO4, modified, no overnight risk. So one of the things with coffee, obviously, so the market does close. So if you don't want to take any overnight risk, we have systems that trade out and are just intraday strategies. So you can still capture some really good profit, as you can see there. And these systems are running very well. So that's kind of the update for the first 26 weeks of trading. Still, the benchmark system is FTO5. But closing in very quickly is SN391, so we'll see how they both play out this week. Obviously, a good start, or we've got an open trade there on FTO5, 391. Let's have a look at the stats on that. So traders, that's a quick wrap up of coffee for the week. Obviously, some really good performance there on some of our strategies. Our daily, we'll just have a quick look at the daily chart on coffee. We've still got a strong sells bias. Medium volatility, range is dropping down a little bit, but had a good positive day yesterday, so we'll see how we go. Now remember, seasonally, we're looking for a bit of a rally in July, so this could be the catalyst for a bit of a push higher. 160 is obviously a level of support, so we'll see if we get a bounce off 160 and it pushes higher. Otherwise, at some point in July, we're expecting this market to climb higher based on the seasonal charts. So that will wrap it up for today. Thank you for your time. So have a fantastic rest of the day, and we'll catch you on the next update. Cheers. Thanks for joining us today, traders. If you'd like to become part of our team in 2014, all you need to do is contact either myself or Luke at info@gmtfutures.com, and we can get you started pretty much straight away. So if you've always wanted to become a professional trader and you want to start using a high performance automated system, then definitely send us an email, info@gmtfutures.com or shane@gmtfutures.com, or you can either give us a call at 617-336-00875 and we can get you started straight away. So any questions, feel free to send them through. Otherwise, have a fantastic day, and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.